Yeah, no. Number 3. Okay, no. I know. Okay, no. I know why I wrote it over. Right. Okay. So for the function y is equal to 3x squared minus 2x plus 1, then squared, right? Find the gradient at the point where x equal to minus 1. Okay, so they've given us a function, right? Y equal to 3x squared minus 2x plus 1, all squared. And they want us to find the gradient of that function at the point where x equal to minus 1. So what do we use to find the gradient of a nonlinear function? We use differentiation. So we find the derivative of the function, in this case, the derivative of y with respect to x. So here we have a composite function, so we use our chain rule. So you're going to multiply the index to the front. That's going to give us 2. Then multiply by the whole function, 3x squared minus 2x plus 1. Of course, you're going to decrease the index by 1. And we have to multiply by the derivative of inside of the bracket. When you find the derivative of 3x squared, 2 by 3 gives us 6. And then 2 minus 1 is just 1. The derivative of minus 2x is just minus 2. And of course, 1 is a constant, the derivative of which is 0. Okay, cool. Right, now, here, you can simplify if you want, or you can simply substitute, because remember, that's what we want to do. We want to find the value of the gradient of the function at the point where x equal to minus 1. So to find the gradient of a nonlinear function, we have to find its derivative and then substitute the value of x at the point where we want to find the gradient. All right? So we're going to, so if x is equal to 1, then dy dx is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 by 1 squared minus 2 by, it's minus 1, my apologies, right? 2 by minus 1 and plus 1, right? And then, of course, we multiply that by 6 by minus 1, then minus 2. Are we okay with the substitution? Right. Drew, just give me a quick G figure with the green that I have so far. Please and thanks. All right, good. Right, so let's simplify. Minus 1 squared is minus 1 by minus 1, which is 1. 3 by 1, of course, is 3. Minus 2 by minus 1, and minus by minus is a plus. So we have plus 2 and then plus 1. Minus 6 by minus 1 is minus 6, and you have minus 2. So here now, we're going to have 2 multiplied by, so 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1 is 6. Minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8. 2 by 6 is 12. 12 by minus 8 is minus 96. That's a relatively big negative gradient, but that's it. Right? So you find the gradient. They give you the function, and they're supposed to give you the point where they want the gradient, the x coordinate of that point. So you find the derivative of the function, you substitute, simplify, and solve. How are we feeling about that? Relatively straightforward? All right, cool. One sec. Slow down. Sorry, Peter. I know seen your comment there. Slow down. All right, cool.